PCA family. I guess if we're family, I must be the grandma of the bunch. Some kids call me Connie, some kids call me Con Dog, Con, OG for old grandma. Some kids just call me grandma, which is okay. I actually have 8 grandchildren and 2 on the way. My name is Connie, and I am a language arts teacher at PCA. At one time, I was the only language arts teacher at PCA. That was when we were a lot smaller. I've been teaching for 10 years. This is my 8th year at PCA. I've been here longer than any of the other teachers at PCA. Now, Kirk, he taught in Journey before, but he's relatively new to PCA. Let's see, I teach language arts. One time, Troy put up a sign for my name, like my title, and it said, English. Connie Hubble, English. And I went back to him and I said, will you please change that to language arts? Because we're not talking just about English. We all know English, but we want to study the art of English, the art of the language. So we'll read some literature, we'll watch some movies, we'll read some poems, we'll write. We have all kinds of different things that we like to do. So for 9th grade, this quarter, we are writing a memoir. I have 6 different prompts that the students are going to be answering in the order of memories, 1 short story per memory, and then we'll put those all together in the end. We usually do this along with reading To Kill a Mockingbird, but we're not able to do that this year. So I get to spend a little bit more time talking to the students about their writing. We'll talk about punctuation and grammar. They might not like that part, but I know that it will make them better writers in the end. If you have any questions at all, ever, just please contact me. My email is chubble, CHUBBLE, @psdschools.org. I hope to hear from you. Thank you.